Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Make Auto Clinic. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to do suspension tuning. So the subject is basically suspension tuning. What is exactly suspension tuning? This video is particularly only for the rear suspension and not for the front forks. So front fork has got little different system to tune the suspension. The fork, and this is only for the rear suspension tuning. So let's just check out the video how to do the suspension tuning. So subject is suspension tuning.
So this is the rear suspension from one of the bike. So this is the length which is it will be maintained all the time. There will be no change in the length. So most of the time there is a misunderstanding that people think that by changing or by setting up the suspension the length will change. It is not like that. As you can see, those slots are given for setting purpose. So what it does actually, as I said, length will not get changed. Those slots are basically to give the tension or to compress the spring or for the tension purpose. So the length will be remain and the suspension spring will get changed. Either it will get compressed or it will get expand, but at some limit. So because the piston has got one limit, piston can't come out of the suspension. So length of the spring can change by compressing. So those slots are basically given for tension purpose. Now in the suspension, if you are on the flat road, then the best suspension tune up is that going for the softer side. This is right now for the hard, and this is good for rough terrain, right? But we do not know all the time you are going to stay on the rough road. So the best is that you keep the suspension in the mid side, so that will help you for both the road. Some suspensions has got chuck nut type setting. So setting system may be different, but the concept is same. So in the suspension, if you have a flat road, then keeping the soft is the best option. If you are going for rough terrain or rough or hard surface, then best is to go for hard suspension, which will keep the vehicle in balanced condition and you can handle it pretty better way. If you use soft suspension for hard road or the rough road, the vehicle will keep on bouncing around and you will unbalance the vehicle. So you may have problem with the tires as well, which may wear out very fast. So best is, as I mentioned, for flat road or for the smooth road, soft suspension is better. For rough road, hard suspension is better. But then which is the best for both the roads? Then the mid is the best range for the suspension. So this is the way you have to tune.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like the video and the information. Have a great day.